Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save your live stream so you can watch them later. So let's have a look now. Open your Twitch account and go for your profile. Now you're gonna select Creator Dashboard. Then after select Settings. Now from here click on Stream. Now scroll down until you find Bot Setting. You have to make sure that this is checked. This will automatically save your first broadcast for up to 14 days or 60 days for partners or Prime users. So basically, when you have ended your stream, it will automatically save it to Twitch. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.